In today's video, I'm about to show you how to go from this to this using just one tool. And if you have thick hair like mine, you're going to want to like and subscribe to the channel because I'm always doing hair content.
High volume, high volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money with me.
So I started off with clean hair. I use Olaplex number 4 and 5 for my wash and condition. Then I go in immediately with products that is going to help protect my hair from heat damage. I've just cut my hair recently, so I'm doing all I can to keep my curls as curly as I can. The main key to blow drying thick hair is to separate, detangle, and add products as you go. I would never be able to add all the products into my whole hair and then it all stays wet enough for me to blow dry it. So we're going to cue some music so we can get into this quick little blow dry, and I hope you enjoy this video.
They do not exist.